cheeseburger.
That's all, look.
I can't open the... I can't open.
Ang laki kasi ng gloves mo.
Here you go.
Wait, do that. Do that. Buy a coconut, Julie.
Ang tagal mo kasi. Nauna
She
na
wants hot dog. She wants hot dog.
She wants cheeseburger too.
And a hot dog. Martino.
Hotdog daw.
Ayusin mo.
Hurry, me too.
Wait, I'm cooking the cheeseburger.
Martino.
She said, I don't get it anymore.
Martino.
Why so messy? Why'd you take it apart?
Kamayin mo.
Corporation.
Mainit. Di pwedeng kamayin. Julie! Nandito bukas yung apoy, oh.
Oh, may apoy, may apoy.
May apoy eh. Niluluto pa lang eh. Ayaw kasi hindi mo ganun eh.
You pay now.
Wala na.
Okay din yan ah.
Lamaligo muna.
No, I'm ready.
Eh, ang tagal kasi ni Dong waiting daw ng...
Naglalaro niyo.
No! Julene, not too much. Julene, her back, not too much. Ah.
He doesn't like hug.
Oh, are you okay, little girl?
Oy! Come here now.
Kala tinitignan mo pa. Ala, pinayak niya si Julene.
Okay, Mama.
Ano? Ganyan ang tawag yan eh.
Jo, sige maligo na, Jo.
Just kidding.
At pangin na.
No, I'm still playing.
Naghihintay nga kay
I'm
Do.
gonna cook now, okay?
Maligo na, ah.
This is my kitchen now.
Halika na, tabulong
Don't
ka
I'm
na,
cooking
ka.
now, okay?
Wait. Nope. We're moving. Move.
Where are we going?
Where are you moving?
No, I want to cook now.
Wait, you said how to wait. Wait, Julie. Julie. Oh, good.
Where you going? Oh, you're moving the store?
Right here.
Ni, nag-move na ni.
Moving na yung Superman. Bye.
Oo, Julene. Look. Galit na yung tindera. Ayan. Why?
Where's me?
5.
5-5. Ano sabi mo, anak? Juliana, what you say? Naks, sana all. But you really. Where you going, Juliana? Trabaho pa more.
Where are you going?
Oo nga, best in the world.
I'm cooked. I never did be cooked.
Julene, go with grandma now.
I'm in the shower now. Bye.
Okay, fix first. Oh, put it this one. You don't want to cook your gloves.